friend and my brother, Honorable Junet. And that is why I endeavor to protect him, for people not to shout at him when he's speaking, because he has very good points. And indeed it is true. Fuel could be cheaper in Uganda and Tanzania. But look at the interventions there that include subsidies, the same subsidies that this government did away with at the beginning of this regime. Those subsidies, Honorable Speaker, if you can protect me from John Buddy. Honorable Speaker, and I don't know, Honorable Speaker, protect me from John Buddy, who is up on his feet.
Order, members. Majority Leader.
Thank you for your protection, Madam Speaker. I was saying, Honorable Speaker, the subsidies, and this is the truth that we must speak to our people. The subsidies that were in fuel before this regime came to power were costing taxpayers a whopping 16 billion shillings in a month. The level of debt we are talking about today is because of these subsidies, Honorable Speaker. Therefore, if we speak about what we have saved the people of Kenya, count the 16 billion shillings that we have saved hustlers from paying every month. Count the railway development levy.
Majority Leader, your time is up. I now put the question that clause 28 be part of the bill. As many as are of that opinion say aye. As many as are of a contrary opinion say nay. Yes. We have ascertained we have the numbers for a division raised by the minority side. We will ring the bell for 10 minutes.
What am I restricted from saying? You're just going to say what clause they are. The members of Parliament this afternoon are ready for voting on division on the finance bill, on the clause on amending the value-added tax on the fuel levy by amending a clause that seeks to harmonize the VAT Act, the VAT on the fuel, which will double-nize the VAT Act, the VAT on the fuel, which will double to 16%. Should it be passed? on fuel was reduced to 8% to give a reprieve for Kenyans in 2018. The bill that was brought by the Finance National Planning Committee seeks to reverse a decision made in 2018 where the VAT on fuel was reduced to 8% to give reprieve to Kenyans. Petroleum products are one of the most taxed commodities in the country, with 9 levies, including road maintenance levy, the excise duty, petroleum development levy, petroleum regulatory, railway development rates, anti-adulteration levy, the merchant shipping levy, and the contested VAP. The members of Parliament this afternoon, while amending the clauses, debated with the majority of members of Parliament supporting and some disputing the bill. Most of the members of Parliament raising reasons as to why the bill should pass or not should pass, with the leaders led by the majority leader of the National Assembly, Kĩgĩna Ichung'wah, supporting the bill, saying it was time Kenyans embraced the 16% VAT on the fuel. And those of the Azimio la Umoja saying that the bill would increase the cost of living in the country. The bill says that Section 5 of the Value Added Tax 2018 is amended in subsection 2 by deleting paragraph A and by deleting paragraph 2AB. The Section 8 of the Value Added Tax Act 2013 is amended in subsection 2 by deleting the words "not a registered person" and substituting therefore the words "a registered or unregistered persons." So currently the members of Parliament are preparing to vote, with the chairperson having given them 10 minutes ahead of the voting. Members of Parliament, led by those of the majority and minority parties, supported their bills, and some opposing the bill, saying that the bill would cost Kenyans high cost of living. Some, led by the Member of Parliament, Oli Koni, saying that the bill would let cost of transportation for the border riders, the mama mbogas, and Kenyans at large, as they experience high cost of living, with the majority leader, Kĩgĩna Ichung'wah, saying that the bill as currently needs 16% to be added, since other countries of East Africa, led by Uganda and Tanzania, had already seen the bill getting to 18%. By amending a clause that this seeks to harmonize the VAT Act, the VAT on fuel will have to double to 16%, meaning that the price of fuel in the country will go up by more than 13 shillings a litre based on the current prices. And one of the reasons, according to them, is that the reasons the government is moving to remove the 8% could also mean to harmonize the VAT Act, which has 2 clusters, the 0 rates and the 16%. Fuel is the only commodity as per now that is charged at 8%. This is the bill that had been brought to the House through the Finance National Planning Committee, seeking to reverse the decision that was made in 2018 with the former regime, where the VAT on fuel was reduced to 8% to give a reprieve to Kenyans. This means by amending a clause, this seeks to harmonize the VAT Act, the VAT on fuel, which is going to increase to 16%. Petroleum products are one of the most taxed commodities in country, with a total of 9 levies, including those of road maintenance levy, excise tax, petroleum development levy, petroleum regulatory levy, the railway development levy rates, anti-adulteration levy, merchant shipping levy, and the contested VAT. On the screens, you can see members of Parliament from across the political divide consulting and with Sergeant at Arms are ready for the voting, which is expected to take place in maybe less than 4 minutes. As the chairperson said, already given 10 minutes for the members to prepare ahead of the vote. Remember, today members of parliament, through the leader of majority, was seeking for more time to sit and to discuss the finance bill 2022-2023, with sittings extended from today this afternoon to 12:45.
Honorable Audo, take your seat. Caleb Amisi, take your seat. Honorable Tindi Mwale, take your seat. Member Honorable Benziba, take your seat. Other members, Honorable Manduku, take your seat. Honorable Gashagwa, take your seat. Honorable Amboka, take your seat. Other members, Ward Chief, take your seat. Member for Game, take your seat. Other members, honorable members, I wish to remind you about decorum during division. Standing orders number 76, part 4. During division, members shall maintain order in the House and shall be in their designated seats and must remain seated until the result is announced. Now, can the sergeant at arms close the door, draw the bars? The two sides, majority side and minority side, have nominated their tellers. I will also seek that they maintain order, no talking, no shouting from the tellers, only identify that a certain member has spoken. When you stand is when we are able to tell who you are. Every time your name is called, it will be called by alphabetical order following the constituency. Honorable Masara, take your seat. Order members. Teller. Clerk.
Chepkonga Kiprono Samuel. Lagat Benjamin Kipkurui. Ketanyi Mariane Jebet. Atandi Samuel Onunga.
Maintain order in the House. Honorable Marmuni, order.
Atandi Samuel Onunga.
Get him the microphone.
Owino John Walter.
Honorable members, Honorable Atandi, I can hear you from here. Take your vote.
Owino John Walter. Mrembo Irene Joki. Shurie Abdi Omar. Sergon Florence Jamatia.
Honorable Didmas, order. Take your seat.
Sergon Florence Jamatia. Kandie Joshua Chepiegon. Kipkoros Joseph Makilap. Cameron Charles. Koyesh Nelson.
4 years.
Innocent Obiri. Barongo Obadia. Momanyi Innocent Obiri. Barongo Obadia. Momanyi Innocent Obiri.
No.
Barongo Obadia.
I'm voting no.
Alpha Miruka Ondieki. Lynette Chepkoril. Kilel Richard Cheriot. Yegon Richard Kipkemoy. Mamwacha Onjoke Charles. Onjoke Charles.
No.
Ogola Gideon Ochanda.
We have voted yes.
Order members.
Osero Patrick Kibagendi.
Member for Sirisia, order. Member for Budalangi, order.
Osero Patrick Kibagendi.
I vote no.
Wanjala Raphael Sauti Bita.
We want the names of those voting for no or yes to appear tomorrow in the newspapers. I vote no.
Wamboka Nelson Wamboka.
To lower the cost of living, I, Wanami Wamboka, vote no.
Wambilianga Catherine Nanjala. Yakub Ado Kuno. Komingoi Kibet Kirui. Komingoi Kibet Kirui. Omanyo Catherine Nahabi. Mwale Nicholas Tindi. Oyula Joseph Maero.
I vote no. No. Yeah.
Oyula Joseph Maero.
I vote no.
Mwiridhania Lindikiri Mugambi. Kerema Moses Nguchine. Chibwa Omar Munyi.
Mheshimiwa mwenyekiti wa kikao hichi, I want to shame the devil. I'm voting no. I'm voting no for the benefit of doubt of those who did hear me. And I'm urging everybody.
Koech Victor Kimngetich. Koech Victor Kimngetich.
For better roads in my constituency, Chepalungu, I vote yes.
Barasa Patrick Simiu.
I vote no.
Biengo Paul Kibichi. Ntwiga Patrick Munene. Maalim Farah. Elachi Beatrice.
I vote no.
Waweru John Kiarie.
Madam Chair, noting that as a country we cannot continue postponing problems, noting that these are decisions that have been made many years back, noting that we can no longer kick this country to the ground, Madam Speaker, I vote an affirmative yes.
Sirima Musa.
Order members, the standing orders are very clear. You rise in your place and you either vote yes, no, or abstain. Please do not give speeches, do not give justification. Just take your vote.
Sirma Musa. Welie Adan, Kenan. Caroline Jepto, Gelechei. Gadiru Benjamin. Ongili Babu Owino.
Thank you very much to save Kenyans from wallowing in the miasma of mediocrity, confusion, ignorance, and the larger shakahola. I vote no.
Gakuya James Mwangi.
I vote yes.
Mawade Julius Musili.
Kwa huu msaada ambao unaongeza bei ya mafuta na petroli double, napiga la.
Mwenje Mark Samuel.
For the sake of hustlers, I vote no.
Double N Pamela Njokinjeru. Lelmegit Joseph Kipto. Omboko Milemba. Kipiegon Joanna. Pukose Robert. Yakubu Farasala. Oundo Wilberforce.
For the unflinching love of the people of Kenya, I vote no.
Haribaye Said Buya.
I vote no.
Tungule Charo Kenneth. Siad Amina Odgud. Baro Deko Mohammed. Guyo Ali Wario. Muriu Wakili Edward. Karuria Elijah Njore. Karuria Elijah Njore, Joroke. Kagombe Gabriel. Odhiambo Elisha Ochieng.
I vote yes.
Gedenji Gishimu. Wanjera Mada Wangare. Wamushomba Gadoni.
I vote no.
Gimose Charles Gumini. Gimose Charles Gumini. Osogo Bensuda Joyce.
I don't need this one. I vote no.
Kaluma
No.
George Peter.
I vote no.
Kadido Kili Daniel.
Wandai umesikia?
Ntoinaiba Julius Ntaituma. Mwiriki John Paul. Abdi Ali. Shinali Bernard Masaka.
No.
Bonaya Mumina Golo. Lomwa Joseph Samal.
Yes.
Lomwa Joseph Samal. Tubi Bidu Mohammed.
I vote no.
Badi Twalib. Badi Twalib. Dongo George Koimburi.
I vote yes.
Wamashukuru James Gidua. Obara Eve Akinyi.
I vote no.
Kalasinga Joseph Simiu Wekesa Majimbo.
For the sake of Mukuyuni, Chwele Nalondo and Luya, I vote no.
Titus Lote.
I vote yes.
Kimilu Joshua Kivinda. Sankaire Lea Sopiato. Kanchori Elijah
Honorable
Memus.
Emmanuel Wangwe, take your seat. It's division. Take your seat.
I vote no.
Amisi Kakuta Maimai.
For my great people of Kajiado East constituency, I vote no.
Nguro Onesimus Ngogoyo. Sakimba Parashina. Risa Sunkuya.
I vote yes.
Mohanda Elsie.
On behalf of the people of Kakamega, I vote no.
Katana Paul Kahindi.
Haraka. Kwa niaba
Mheshimiwa, tunakusikia.
Kwa niaba ya bodaboda na mama mboga kuongezewa ushuru wa mafuta, nasema la.
Hassan Abdi Yusuf. Hassan Abdi Yusuf.
Yes.
Jogona Chege. Makali John Okwisia. Kihungi Peter. Muli Fabian. Shumel Samuel Moroto. Sudi Oscar. Okwome Andrew Adipo.
I vote no.
Karauli Ronald Kamuiko. Were Charles Ongondo.
I vote no.
Mbui Robert. Korir Adams Kipsaina. Kipkoech Gideon Kimayu. Kemei Beatrice. Ruto Julius Kipleting. Wangaya Aseka.
I vote no.
Wanjiko John Jogona. Waidaka John Mashua. Murade Ann Wanjiko. Murada Ann Wanjiko. Orero Peter Ochieng. Balu Jessica.
I vote no.
Mutuse Mwengi. Wanaina Njoroge. Munyororo Joseph. Nyoro Samson Dindi. Ichungwa Kimani. Sunkuli Julius.
I vote no. I vote no.
Mwanyanje Gertrude.
Mbeyu Mwanyanje kwa mswada wa kuongeza ushuru wa mafuta kutoka 8 mpaka 16. Kwa watu wa Kilifi, mama mboga, bodaboda, I vote no. I vote no. Chair, I vote no.
Order members. Order members.
Baya Owen. Kitty Chonga. Ken Chonga. Zambia Kizua.
Of course, no.
Mutua Didmas Baraza. Bisau Kakai.
I vote no.
Rai Samuel.
I vote no.
Kwenya Duku.
I vote yes.
I vote yes.
I vote yes.
Order members. Clerk, call out Kinango again.
Rai Samuel Gonzi. I vote yes. Muhia Wanjiko. Chororot Joseph Kimtai. Kosgei Hillary.
To save the country from the deaths of Uhuru and Raila, I vote yes.
Maina Jane Jerry. Maina Jane Jerry. Gitari Joseph Gashoki. Benzimba Rashid Juma.
On behalf of Kisauni constituency, I vote no.
Aburi Donya Doris. Busia Ruth Odinga.
On behalf of the people of Kisumu and the suffering masses of Kenya, I say a big no.
Oron Joshua.
On behalf of Mama Mboga na Boda Boda, I vote no.
Ahmed Shakil Ahmed Shabir. Ahmed Shakir. Buyu Rosa Akin. Kasalu Irene Mudoni.
On behalf of people of Kitui, I vote no.
Mulu Makali.
Yeah, Kitui Central votes no.
Bai Nimrod Mbiduka. Boni David Mwalika.
On behalf of Kitui rural people, I vote no.
Nyamai Rachel. Nyenze Edith.
On behalf of people of Kitui West and the suffering Kenyans, I vote no.
Mokaya Nyakundi. Kibagendi Anthony.
On behalf of the people of Kitutu Church South, I vote no. Osoro umesikia?
Gizairo Cliff. Gizairo Clive. Yegon Brighton. Brighton Yegon. Kiprono Mutai Alfred. Kiprono Mutai Alfred. Tonui Joseph Kipkoskei.
I vote yes.
Kemero Maisori Kitayama. Robbie Matias Nyamabe.
I vote yes.
Masito Fatuma.
Allah.
On behalf of the people of Kwale, I vote no. Thank you.
Wanyonyi Ferdinand. Abdurrahman Mohammed Abdi. Mohammed Abdikadir Hussein. Kagiri Jane Wangeshi. Kiunjuri Festus Mwangi. Korere Sara Paulata.
Kwa niaba ya Wakenya milioni 10 na kitu ambayo walitoka wakasema wanataka bottom up, I vote yes. Yani ndio.
Karani Stephen Washira. I vote yes.
Lekuton Joseph.
Order, members. Maintain silence in your seat.
Lekuton Joseph.
I vote yes. Amesikia, ameona.
Marubu Monica Mudoni. Obo Rueda Mohammed. Mairuri Mudama Stanley.
I vote yes.
Jose Felix Odiwor. Kahangara Joseph Mboro. Mboko Mishi Juma.
To save Kenyans from high cost of living, the boda boda, the mamantilie, the mamamboga. I vote no!
Mugabe Innocent Maino. Chege John Kiragu.
I vote yes.
Akuja Protas. Oyugi Dick Maungu. Nabi Nabuera.
I vote no.
La! Chiforomondo Mangale. Mukhwana Titus Hamala. Biuki Kareke. Kamene Joyce.
On behalf of the citizens of Kenya who cannot make ends meet, those that are suffering and those that are oppressed, I vote no.
Mule Caleb Mutiso.
I vote yes.
Kombe Harrison Garama.
Yeah.
Honorable Kamene, you're out of order.
Hello. I vote. Yeah. I vote no for the masses.
Omwera George Aladwa.
I vote no.
Kiamba Susan Dunge. Mumo Rose Museo.
Asante. Hii ni mimba tunaweka wa Kenya tukitumia style mbaya. Makueni wamesema no, I vote no.
Injendi Moses Malulu. Injendi Moses Malulu. Nyazi Amina Lora.
Kwa niaba ya watu wa Malindi nasema la, na la yangu ni ya sasa mpaka kesho kwa Mungu tunakwenda kwa shtaki.
Abdullahi Bashir Sheikh.
maintain decorum until the end of the division. Order.
Abdullahi Bashir Sheikh. Sheikh Umul Kher Kasim. Abdurrahman Hussein Wetan Mohammed.
I vote no.
Haro Abdul Ibrahim. Yusuf Adan Haji.
Umesikika?
Yes.
Mukunji George Gitonga. Njoroge Mere wa Maua. Bowen David Kangogo. Toroitich Timothy Kipchumba. Wago Naomi Jilo. Mwalio Joshua Mbivi. Odanga Godfrey Makoha. Oluoch Anthony.
Woe unto you, you who step and stumble on the graves and suffering of the people of Kenya. Ole wenyu nyinyi tangatanga.
Order member for
Ole wenyu. Ole wenyu serikali ya Kenya kwanza. Na kwa niaba ya watu wa
Order. Member for Madare, I will rule your vote invalid. Take your vote.
Aye. Anthony Tom Oluoch, mjumbe wa Madare, ninasema la!
Order members. Order members.
Gichuki Edwin Mugo. Kahungu Eric Mwangi. Tandasa Kasim Sawa. Nabulindo Peter.
Honorable Katana, Honorable Abdi, you are all out of order.
Mule Stephen Mutinda. Kingola Patrick Makau. Geoffrey Karioki Roko. Nebat Bernard Murioki. Zioka Erastus Kivasu.
Ingine haina sauti kama hii. On behalf of my great people of Boni constituency and the Kenyan hustlers, I say no.
Kailemia Elizabeth Karambu. Mohamed Fatuma Sinab. Sorry. Kipngor Ruben Kiborek. Barto Phyllis. Kimani Francis Kuria. Chimba Samsam Mohammed.
On behalf of the people of Mombasa County, on this punitive bill, I vote no.
Kirwa Abraham. Jaldesa Guyo.
Jaldesa no.
Bader Salim Faisal.
Order. Go back to Honorable Kirwa. Keep sang.
Kirwa Abraham. Chesebe Fred Kapundi.
Retake Honorable Faisal.
James Onyango Koyo. Gichoi Gagushia. Salasa Peter.
Nataka kunitusi hapa ati nimepandisha mafuta. I vote no. Kenya mnione nimevote no.
Naika Johnson Manya. Naika Johnson.
Honorable Naika is in the house. Order members.
Excuse.
'Fuel tax from 8 to 16, Mumias West and the entire Wangaland. I say no. Endovire adage.
Order. We got your vote.
Nimesema no.
Machele Mohammed.
I vote no.
Musau Vincent Musioka. Musau Vincent Musioka.
Yes.
Shake Peter Mbogo. Maingi Mary. Muliungi Gideon Mutemi.
So that I do not take my people Mwingi to hell, I vote no.
Zengu Paul Musimi.
Haya basi, kwa niaba ya watu wa Mwingi North napiga la.
Nguna Charles Ngusia. Pasaris Esther Mudoni.
There comes a time. There comes a time that the nation becomes more important than any one of us. For the dignity, peace, stability, and prosperity of the country of Kenya, I vote yes.
Order members. Order members. Majority side, order. Majority side, order. Majority side, order. Member for Belgut, take your seat. Honorable from Keses, take your seat.
Kiara Jane Wanjiro.
Hatuwezi endelea kuchimba chimba ya madeni na piga ndio.
Shelule Lisa.
If you're not taking your vote, take your seat. Honorable Emathe and Emase, take your seat.
Gikaria David. Arama Samuel. Mulanya Geoffrey Ekesa. Munge Cynthia. Kitur Bernard. Kitur Bernard. Tonkei Rebecca. Aramat Lemanken. Parejo Agnes. Kitilai Olentutu. Tongoyo Gabriel. Tongoyo Gabriel. Wangwe Emmanuel.
Honorable Kiplagat, take your seat.
I vote no.
Gashagwa George.
I vote yes.
Owino Martin.
On behalf of the great constituency of Ndewa, I, Martin Peters Owino Woodchief, votes no.
GK George Masharia. Chepkon Charity Gadambi.
Hadi Sheki walituachia shida kubwa nchi yetu. Kuokoa nchi yetu, napiga yes ya nguvu zaidi.
Guyo Wario. Abdul Rahim Daud. Nyamoko Josh Nyamachi. Owor Joshua Aduma.
For the good of the great people of Nyakacha and Kisumu, I, Aduma J. Owuor, the Black Beauty of Kisumu, votes no.
Mohamed Ali. Mogina Jerosha Momanyi. Gitao Faith Wairimo. Odoyo Okelo Jared.
Jared Okello, in defense of abandoned hustlers, I vote no.
Janda Sahir. Manduku Daniel Ogwoka.
I vote yes.
Odege Tom Boya.
On behalf of the poor workers of this country and the great people of Nyateke, I vote no.
Washira Rahab Mukami. Madenge Duncan. Mushira Michael.
I vote yes.
Kiaraho David. Wanaina Michael Wambogo. Kosing David.
I vote no.
Mupe Anthony Kenga. Gogo Lilian Achieng. Amolo Paul Otiende.
20
increasing the cost of fuel and the cost of gas. And on behalf of the great people of Rarieda, I vote no.
Chebor Paul Kibet. Paul Abur. Paul Abur. Mwafrika Agostine. Francis Kajuang Tom Joseph. Kingara Simon. Karemba Eric. Lugova Sloya.
Yes.
Luyai Caleb.
I vote no.
Raso Dido. Lenguris Paul. Pauline. Lentoi Johnny Jackson. Letipla Dominic. Lesuda Josephine.
I vote no.
Nikal James.
On behalf of the people of Seme and for the people of Kenya, I vote no.
Ikana Frederick. Oduor Christine.
Okay. I, Christine Ombaka, woman rep for Siaya, and on behalf of Siaya people, the women, the men, the boys and the girls, people living with disability, and the vulnerable, I vote no.
Locha Kapong Peter. Kemei Justice. Koi John Waluke.
I vote yes, yes, yes.
Sigei Francis. Idinja Shadrach Mwiti. Onyengo Silvanas. Kiplagat David.
I vote yes.
Maina Amos.
I, Mwago Amos Maina, a patriotic economist, I vote no.
Odhiambo Mili. Omondi Karoli. Gashobe Samuel. Mohammed Junaid Sheikh.
Chair, I vote no, but I want to share with the House that in my constituency now, a restaurant has been opened called Wamushomba Restaurant.
Masara Peter. Masara Peter.
I, Peter Francis Masara, on behalf of the people of Suna West and the great people of Kenya, I vote no.
Mzigi Lydia Haika. Abdullahi Amina Dika. Bare Hussein Abdi. jukumu la kuwapatia maji na maendeleo yote kwa wananchi wa Kenya inahitaji watu kujitoa muhanga.
Take
Na
your
kwa
vote,
hivyo
honorable
nasema
member.
yes.
Bwire John Okano.
Mheshimiwa Mwenyekiti, kwa niaba ya bodaboda wa Taveta, mama soko na jamii pana ya Taveta, ninapinga mswada wa kuongeza tax kwa mafuta. Nasema no.
Kaunya. Otucho Mary. Mwangi Geoffrey Wandeto. Murugara George. Duyo Susan Ngugi. Ng'ang'a Alice Wambui.
Ndio tujenge nchi yetu tukufu ya Kenya, nasema ndio.
Kasait William Kamket. Aburi Lawrence Mboro. Mutunga John Kanyuithia. Kipbiwot Julius Meli. Shikati John Murumba. Shikati John Murumba. Siyoi Lilian Chebet.
Kwa niaba ya Wakenya ambao wanalipa taxes ya pesa zile ambazo ziliporwa, ninapiga ndio ili tuweze kujitegemea kama nchi.
Sitienei Janet Kemboi.
I vote yes.
Getit Cecilia. Emathe Joseph. Gikolong Nicholas. Gikolong Nicholas. Nabuin Paul. Namoit John.
On behalf of the great people of Turkana South, I vote no.
Nanok Daniel Epuyo. Gladys Bos. Ochieng David. Wandai James Opio.
Yeah, I vote no.
Nyamita Mark Ogola.
I vote yes.
Kagesi Kivai. Adagala Beatrice. Abdi Hamis. Chome.
I vote no.
Jeho Fatuma Abdi. Mohammed Aden Daoudi. Sane Ibrahim Abdi. Sane Ibrahim Abdi. Ado Mohammed Aden. Farah Yusuf Mohammed. Sigei Francis.
Order, members. We are at Webuye.
Wanyonyi Martin Pepela. Sitati Daniel Wanyama. Mogaka Stephen. Kasiwai Rael Chepkemoi. Mogaka Stephen.
Order, members. Order, members. Clerk, repeat for West Mugirango.
Mogaka Stephen.
Mogaka.
Yes. Auziweke tatu hizo.
Kasiwai Rael Chepkemoi. Wetangula Timothy Wanyonyi. On behalf of the people of Westlands and the people of Nairobi and the suffering Kenyans, I vote no. Mwakuona Danson.
Mimi Danson Mwashako, mjumbe wa Undanyi, kwa niaba ya watu wangu na Wakenya wanaotaabika, napiga no.
Basil Robert Ngui. I, Robert Basil, Member of Parliament for Yatta, on behalf of Yatta people and people who are suffering, I vote no to increment of petroleum. Ali Abdisirat Khalif.
I vote yes.
Shege Sabina. Dina Joseph Hamisi. Harun Suleka Kulbali. Ikera Dorothy. Iraya Joseph. Kosgei Jackson.
I vote yes.
Mayaka Irene. Mohamed Umulkher Harun. Mwangi Teresia Wanjiro.
I vote yes.
Ngongo John Bandi.
Yes, on behalf of the Suba community.
Order, member.
Yes.
Say yes.
I have not voted.
Okay.
On behalf of the Suba community, both Suba North, whose MP is suspended, and Suba South, whose MP has disappeared and abandoned the constituents, I vote no.
Talib Abubakar Ahmed. Talib Abubakar Ahmed.
I vote yes.
Tongoyo Gabriel. Farah Malim.
Are you hearing me?
Order members, let me explain. There are some members who are in the washroom. Honorable Farah, Honorable Tongoyo, and Honorable Wainaina from Udaya. The three will take their votes.
I vote yes. I vote yes.
Order members, Narok West, you have taken your vote. Honorable Farah has taken his vote. Honorable Wainaina.
Wainaina Michael.
Order, members. Order, members. We have the results on the division that Clause 28 be part of the bill. A total of 272 members took their votes. The ayes, 184. The nays, 88. Therefore, the ayes have it. Order, members. I order that the bar be drawn and the doors be opened. Order, members, we continue with the committee of the whole house.
Clause 29, clauses 29, 30, 31, and 32.
I propose that the following clauses 29, 30, 31, and 32 be part of the bill. I now put the question that clauses 29, 30, 31, and 32 be part of the bill. Will as many as are of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of a contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 33.
I propose the question that clause 33 be part of the bill. Mover. The Chair of Finance Committee.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. This clause 33, 33A is a cleanup. The proposed amendment is a cleanup of the tariff code. And then on 2, we are extending exemption status to taxable supplies that are used for construction of tourism facilities. And then part 3, again, last year we did an investment deduction for construction of hospital beds of 50. Now the bill was proposing to increase again from 50 to 100. No, from 100 back to 50. We're retaining it at 50. We are taking exempt the construction of plastic recycling plants. We are taking that. We are restoring the construction of plastic manufacturing plant into exemption status. And part 7, the most important, Honorable Speaker, is we are taking back items from Schedule 1 to Schedule 2, those items that were tax exempt to zero rated, and those include manufacturing of fertilizer, manufacturing of pharmaceuticals, manufacturing of human vaccines, and that's why you will see now deletion of 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 150, and 144. All these deletions are taking back these particular items from tax exempt back to zero rate, so that we can have cost of manufacturing fertilizer reduced, cost of manufacturing pharmaceuticals reduced, manufacturing of human vaccines, manufacturing of medicine, all back to zero rated. With that, I move on, Honorable Chair.
Order, members. Member Honorable Mbadi. No, wait. I will propose the question that clause 33 be amended as proposed by the Chair Finance Committee. Yes, Honorable Mbadi.
Thank you. Madam Chair, this amendment makes me very excited. I'm excited because I'm happy that the committee actually listened to me and listened to Azimio on this. Madam Speaker, Madam Chair, we were being told that a lot of commodities are being exempted, but they were being removed from zero rating to exempt. I am happy that now raw materials for pharmaceuticals will now be zero rated, that is 147, pest control for 148, raw materials for pest control 148, pest control products 149, sugarcane transportation from farms to milling factories 150, fertilizers 151, raw materials for manufacture of fertilizer 152, liquefied petroleum gas 153, all tea sold for value addition. Now it will not just be tea, but it will be tea and coffee. I'm very excited that these amendments have been carried by the committee, and I support fully that now when we go to 34, we are going to zero rate them. I want to thank the committee for listening, particularly to me. When I was explaining zero rating and exempt, many of you listened and understood what I actually meant. This is going to make life the way it is if this is implemented. How I wish the same happened to the petroleum.
Members, we will keep this at 2 minutes maximum. I know there are other members that have amendments. Unless you're rising to withdraw your amendment, you will have your chance after we deal with the amendment by the chair. Member Honorable Amisi, Honorable Naisula, Honorable Basil, Honorable Atandi, Honorable Oluoch, Honorable Mbui, all of you will be heard at the point of your amendment. But for this one, we first deal and exhaust the amendment by the Chair, Finance Committee. So I would hope that the people who have shown interest are interested in speaking to the amendment by the Chair. So I will give member for Ndereti. Are you speaking to this? No. Member for Mathare, what is out of order?
Madam Chair, there was a precedent set yesterday by your co-chair that where there are other amendments, that you would allow the members who have proposed the amendments to ventilate theirs first, and then later we allow the chair to ventilate theirs, so that if these ones collapse, as they might or might not, then the chairs of the finance then comes last. And I can see the chair of finance is agreeing with me. Because, Madam Chair, once we carry these amendments, there might be no need to listen to the other members. So please guide us.
Order members, we will continue as we have stated, because even under the clause that we have voted, ordinarily there will be no debate. But we opened it and let members ventilate even when the amendments were not on the order paper. So on this one, we will continue with the amendment by the Finance Committee Chair. Some of the amendments thereof will be affected depending on how this goes, but we will give priority to this one as listed in the order paper. So I will give it to Honorable Member for Ndereti North.
Thank you very much, Chair, and I also want to thank the committee and to thank the Chair. I know most of our people who looked at exempt versus zero-rated, especially those who are running industries, were very, very worried. And today, on behalf of the women who have industries, I want to say thank you to the Chair. But also, Chair, even as we say that, we also need to look at, I don't want to talk about the issue of fuel. I think we have exhausted that. But I want us to look now at the excise duties and how we deal. And I keep on reminding Chair, Finance, we must deal with customs so that even as we deal with all these things, customs will help us also to see the betterment of what we are doing in this House, and our citizens will benefit from this. Thank you, Chair.
Member for Ndereti.
Thank you, Chair. I just want to thank the mover or the Chair of Budget and Finance, especially on the issue of transporting of agricultural produce like sugar, tea, coffee, and all this. This amendment will actually promote the farming, the activities of farmers across the country, and it will actually make farming to be, the profits will be higher, and therefore the business will go on well. I support, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Atandi.
Chair, I also would like to support the amendments by the Chair of Finance Committee, especially those ones that are deleting VAT on corn products and basically cassava and foodstuffs. This is something that is very, very important for us, and our people are going to afford basic commodities. And I thank the Chair. Thank you.
Leader of Majority. Okay.
Thank you, sorry, Honorable Speaker. We were consulting with members here. Honorable Speaker, let me support this amendment. And it's true what the Honorable John Buddy says, that the Committee of Finance, even as we were thanking them during the second reading, took a lot of time to listen to Kenyans. And some of these proposals are what came out of the public participation exercise, Honorable Speaker. And it's sad that many of our media houses were trying to incite, not many, it's actually one media station I saw, trying to incite Kenyans that the public participation exercise was an exercise in futility. But it's testament from what members are saying here that the Finance Committee did listen to Kenyans and to their views, Honorable Speaker, and therefore I support, and this also buttresses the point that we are indeed intent on bringing down the cost of living. Zero rating farm inputs, zero rating fertilizer products, zero rating transportation of sugarcane from farms to their factories, Honorable Speaker. These are things that we trickle down to the farmer and consequently ensure that we are able to produce farm produce at a cheaper cost, and therefore the Kenyan people will enjoy, in the long run, will enjoy a lower cost of living. And that is what the people of Kenya have been asking for. And Honorable Chair, I must say, as I said before, that this was one of the bills that was most vilified. But I'm glad today in this debate, Honorable Speaker, members are truly telling the truth. What is good, they are calling it good. What they have a problem with, they are saying, I have a problem with this. And that is the way we should be engaging in the country, not vilifying and demonizing everything.
Let us cap this to a maximum of 2 minutes. Honorable Masara, as we...
Thank you, Madam Chair. I want, for the first time, appreciate what the Chair of Finance, my friend, whom we were with in the PAC committee for 5 years. Madam Chair, what they have done, they have appreciated the work of public participation. How I wish they could do this throughout in all the clauses, because the people are really crying. If you can hear their views and accommodate them in a clause and make the changes, it won't change your status in the society, but you'll be appreciated now and forever.
Thank you.
Madam Speaker, on the issue of transportation of sugarcane, I come from where the sugarcane growing is a major area where it helps so many people. Were it not for the changes, it would have really affected farmers who are growing sugar. So thank you so much, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.
And I hope the remaining clauses, we are going to get similar response. Thank you.
I see there is concurrence on this clause. I'll give Honorable Geshimo, then the Chair Finance. We will close it.
Thank you, Chair. I'm equally excited, just like Honorable Badi, because people of Geshogo who do a lot of coffee and tea will be saving a lot in terms of operational cost. So I support Chair, and I believe, I agree with the Leader of Majority that actually this committee did public participation, and that is why
advantage ya Ndikani hawana kosi nyingi, ni hospitality na beauty. Lakini tuambiane ukweli, ikifika ni hospitality na beauty ni Ndikani.
Deacon College, training beyond the obvious.
Training beyond the obvious.
Jiboost na milioni moja kila wiki kwa kucheza Shabiki Midweek Jackpot. Kwa 15 bob pekee, bashiri mechi 15 za Shabiki Midweek Jackpot ushinde milioni moja. Cheza sasa kwa kutuma neno MJP kwa 29063. Not for persons under the age of 18. BCLB number 416.
Shabiki.com.
Mimi naitwa Mama Harriet. Mimi natumia Bolt. Hakuna kingine.